Hello all, welcome to our sales channel. This video is for our 2012 Nissan Leaf electric car, which is available for immediate sale. As you can see, the Nissan Leaf is in great condition for its age. It has a genuine low mileage of 29,000 miles, which is fully backed up with previous mileage history. Interior of the car is very clean. It has never been smoked in and free from pets. It has lots of factory-fitted extras such as cruise control, automatic climate control, etc. The Leaf is HPI clear, no accidents, and has had only one owner from new. Vehicle comes with 11-month MOT and a 2-year gold warranty as standard, covering you for mechanical and electrical breakdown should you need it. We provide 13-amp home charger kit for your convenience. The vehicle, as you may know, is entitled to zero government road tax, free London congestion charge, and of course, for peace of mind, it is ULEZ low emission zone exempt. This vehicle has numerous advantages of ownership, as maintenance costs is very low, while insurance is on the cheaper side, even for first-time drivers. Thank you for watching this short video clip of the Nissan Leaf. Price of this vehicle is £5,699, and we would like to invite you for viewing. All our vehicles comes with 2 years warranty as standard, which makes it a great second-hand used car purchase. What are you waiting for? Please call us today on number provided on screen. Thank you.